Oh. Welcome guys, this is JJ Gold and welcome back to my next video. And how are you guys doing? I am back with another video guys. Today I'm reacting to one you want to react to, guys wanted. I'm reacting to Can't Talk to Jamaicans Part 5. This video, his name is Suburban. Don't forget to subscribe to him. He is so funny, guys. He is funny. I actually like him. I've got dumplings there. So there you go. Don't forget to subscribe to Suburban. Yeah. If you guys want to watch the original video, it's in the description down below. It's called Can't Speak to Jamaicans. So yeah. I think he's a new Viner. He's like a Vine star. So yeah. It's time to react to him. Yeah, guys, man, he is funny, you know. He's like one of the most funniest Vine stars in the world. So yeah, here you go. That's him, guys. Oh fuck. So yeah, guys. Wait. Lego. Yeah. About. This is so funny, you know. Man, he's funny, man. So yeah, guys, he is so funny. Don't forget to subscribe to Suburban. So yeah, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to Suburban, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe to Suburban. Don't forget to like his videos. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter or whatever. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe. I love you and peace.